How to fix Outlook not responding issue on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open Play Store and here check if there is any update for Outlook. And if you find it, just update your Outlook and your problem will be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, now go to settings and then apps or applications and then click on it again. And once you're here you will find all your installed apps. Just type Outlook, click on it and then click force stop and go to storage, clear data. But after that, after clearing data, you will need to log into all your accounts, but your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.